Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will present simple chatbot conversation using Python language. This solution can conduct an intelligent conversation and it should be able to simulate a human behavior and answer questions. This solution can be plugged to your website as a live chat. So the robot is responsible to answer the question of your guests or visitors to your website as a live chat. Let's start the tutorial. First, I'd like to show you a conversation here using a library under Python called ChatBot, where we utilize a chatbot function there. So here in this example we pass the question of the guest or visitor, for example related to the time here, and here this library is responsible to return a value with as an answer. Let us for example run this script and see here what is your question is the robot is asking. So I'll tell him what is the time now. So here the function will pass the parameter to the library and return back us the time. Even if I change the questions, and it's not supposed to be the same spelling or same, but at the end should be same meaning. For example here, time now. So also the robot can recognize my question and answer it accordingly. Let us go to another example related to mathematical evaluation also and time logic as well. So here we can pass two questions. For example, what is 11 multiplied by 9, or let us change it to by 10 for example. And also here we'd like to know what the current time. I can tell him or ask what is the current time. I'll run the script. It's telling me 11 multiplied by 10 equals to 110, and the current time is 10:17 a.m. So here as well we are using ChatBot, and we are using both mathematical and time as well as an ChatBot logic. Now let us go to the third example, which is a live also chat with a robot, and can be utilized for the website where they have frequently asked questions. So the visitor or the guest can address questions to the robot, and the robot also will answer accordingly. Let us run it. Here the robot says, "Hi there, my name is Smart Robot. What is your name?" Okay, my name is dear Rashid. Is answering, "Hi dear Rashid, how can I help you?" Now I'll start having a general dialogue or conversation. I'll tell him hi. He's answering. Okay, how are you? I will continue also having the conversation. Okay, he's answering, what you are doing your life. I'm a robot working as a customer. Fine. Another question, what is your job? I'm a robot, same answer. For example, I pass him job. Okay, he's answering same question. So okay, who's this, or who is this? I'm a robot. Who are you? Same answer. Okay, what service do you provide? We provide technology services. You can visit our website for more information. Okay, if I pass him the word service, question, same answer. If it's without question mark even, let us try. Same answer. So the robot is recognizing my question. If I pass him, for example, the word stupid, for example, is recognizing, sorry, I'm not what you said. Okay, if I would like to know the contacts, for example, what is your contact? You can call this number, the Rashid address case. If I pass him only, for example, contact, same answer. If I pass him anything, sorry, dear Rashid, I didn't understand what you said. Please, can you repeat again? Fine. If I pass him different language, Arabic, for example, like Assalamu alaikum. Okay, he's answering wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Great. I tell him, okay, for example, goodbye. He's answering, thank you, dear Rashid, and goodbye, please visit us again. If I pass him bye, for example, same question. Bye, capital letter, for example, same question. Okay, great. So I'll tell him thank you. Okay, thank you. Okay, great. That's it. If you would like to have these codes, please just email me. I'll share it with you. Thank you all, and goodbye.